Children, middle term split. As the name says, there will be three terms. That is how you are going to find the middle term. And the meaning of split is, split means to divide. Split means to divide.
Into
We are going to divide the middle term. How? There is a rule for that. Let us see first example. Let us have x square 7x plus 2. Now, children, here the middle term is 7x. We have to split this middle term in two parts. Split means divide. So we are going to divide this middle term. We are not going to make any changes to the first term, which is x square. We are also not going to make any changes to the last term, which is 12. But the changes will be made to 7x. It is going to be split. But we can't just split it the way we want. There is a pattern, there is a thing that we have to keep in mind. For that, children, I would like to ask you, have you done this identity in class 8? I'm sure you must have done. You have done this identity in class 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, what is happening here? A, B. There are two numbers which are multiplied in the end. And then there are two numbers which are being added. Two numbers multiplied and the same number are being added. And then you are getting two factors x plus a, x plus b. We are going to do the same thing here. So 12 पे आपको focus करना है. You have to find two numbers on multiplying which you get 12. These will come as your A and B.
Ma'am, 3 and 4.
Wait, beta. And the same two numbers, when added, should give you the middle term. This is the middle term. 1, 2, 3. This is the middle term. What is middle term here? 7. So you have to look for two numbers on multiplying which you get 12 and on adding which you get 7. And the two numbers would be
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
and on adding them
And we will get
7.
7.
And we will get 7.
we will get 7. So how are we going to split this 7x?
Plus
3x,
Ma'am,
plus
3.
4x.
3x plus 4x.
3x plus 4x. Now let us take something common here. From the first two, we can take x common.
Yes, ma'am.
When you
Yes,
take
ma'am.
x common, you are left with x here.
And
And
x plus
Plus
3.
3.
Okay. From these two brackets, 4 can be taken common. Because when you open the bracket, 4 into x is 4x and 4 into 3 is 12. All right, beta. Be clear that these two brackets must be same. Now, when these two brackets are same, I can write it as x plus 3 common. Taken out distributive property. And in the next bracket, I will have x plus 4.
Plus 4.
So this is a factorization. Can you see, children? A and B were 3 and 4. We are getting the final answer as x plus A, x plus B. So this identity is doing nothing but applying middle term split method. All right. Now, children, here we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Please see, in the previous case, it was 1. The coefficient of x squared was 1. So we didn't do anything about that. But here the coefficient of x squared is 2. And in such cases, you have to multiply it. You have to multiply these two to get the constant term. I'm repeating, When the coefficient of x square is not 1, but any number other than 1, it has to be multiplied by the constant term. This is called constant term. 3 into 2. Now, what is 2 into 3? 6. So, when you are factorizing, you will be factorizing 6. When you are factorizing, you will be factorizing 6. So, you need to look for two numbers on multiplying which you get 6, and either by adding or subtracting, you should get 7.
Ma'am, 6 multiplied by 1.
Right.
6 into 1.
6 into 1 is 6. And also 6 plus 1 is
7.
7. Got it? So how are we going to split this 7x? Bolo?
6x plus 1x.
6x plus 1x.
X.
Plus
So
1.
this becomes 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. Are you with me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
see.
can you take the step again?
Yes. 2 into 3 is 6. So the two numbers on multiplying which we get 6 is 6 into 1. And by adding them, we should get 7. So 6 plus 1. So 7x is written as 6x plus 1x. 6x plus 1x. Now children, see, we have 2x square and you have 6x. How can you write 2x square? What are the factors? 2x,
X
X.
and X.
And what are the factors here?
6
2,
into x.
3, 4.
2 into 3 into x.
So what can we take in common?
2x can be taken common.
So if I take 2x common, what is left here?
X
X
plus
plus
3.
3.
What is left here? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You can always cross check by opening the bracket. Just in mind 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 3, 6x. Okay. Now here in these two brackets, can I take x common?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Can I take 3 common?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Ma'am, we have to take one.
I'm 1.
We will
One.
take 1.
So what are we left with?
X
X
plus
X
3.
plus 3.
Children, make sure that these two brackets must always be same. Then only we can take it common. Now, when you take it common, what does it become?
X plus 3.
X plus 3
2x
and
plus 1.
2x plus 1.
So these are the two factors of this polynomial. Okay? It's plus 5. Now, children, here we can see the coefficient of x square is not 1. So it will be multiplied by 5. And what is 6 into 5?
30.
6 into 5, 30. So now you need to make factors of 30. You need to have two numbers on multiplying which you get 30 and middle term is 17. So either by adding or subtracting them, you should get 30. Can you think of the two numbers? Try.
3 by 10.
There you go. 3 into 10 is 8. 3 plus 10 is 17. है क्या?
No,
Not
ma'am.
15 into 2.
Ma'am,
If I
15 into 2.
Ma'am, 15 into 2.
Ma'am,
2
15
into
into 2.
15 is 30. And also 2 plus 15 is 17. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So let
ma'am.
us do the first step. So 17x will be written as
15x plus 2x.
Ma'am, 15x plus 2x.
2x plus 15x.
2x plus 15x. Okay. Now again from the first two. ध्यान दीजिए. 6x square means 2, 3, x, x. And 2x means
2 into x.
so 2
2 and
और x तो common आ जाएगा, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ क्या बचेगा?
Plus x.
3x.
Ma'am, 3x.
Plus
1.
nothing means
1.
1.
1.
Nothing means 1. And from 15x plus 5, what can you take common?
Ma'am,
5.
5.
5.
Ma'am, we can take
5
5 as
plus
common.
3x
5.
plus 1.
3x plus 1.
And as I'm telling you, these two brackets must always be same. So what do you get?
Yes, ma'am.
3x plus 1.
2x plus 5 plus 1. 2x plus
2x
5.
plus 5.
2x plus 5.
Okay?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here we have x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay? Please pay attention, children, here. Here you would be needing to factorize 6 into two numbers. On adding which, you should get 5. Or there is going to be another method also. There are two possibilities in this case. Subtracting which you will get 5. So
Ma'am,
please
6 minus 1.
6 into 1 gives you 6.
minus 5 minus 1.
5. Okay?
Ma'am, 3 into 2.
Ma'am, 2 into 3.
Ma'am, 2 into 3 and 2 plus 3.
Got it? So there are two possible ways. Now, children, when we have two possible ways, it's not that the both ways will be correct. No, only one of these is going to be correct. Because you know, maths is a universal language. Whatever you are getting answer here, the same answer should be obtained by a student in Africa or America or anywhere or any part of the world. That is the beauty of mathematics, right? So I will be explaining you with both the cases, and you will yourself realize that one option is not possible. One option is not possible. So I want all of you to pay attention to that point. See, I'm explaining it. Suppose I'm writing it as 2 into 3. So this becomes x squared. 5x will be split as 2x plus 3x minus 6. If I take common here, x will be common.
Yes,
In the
ma'am.
bracket, I have x plus 2.
X plus
From here, what can be taken common?
3.
3.
3.
Now see, are these two brackets coming out to be same?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This is a wrong method. Here at this step, you will realize that both the brackets are not same. So this is a wrong method. Okay? And if you look at this part, like this, x square और 5x को मैं क्या लिख दूं? 6x minus 1x.
6x minus 1x.
6x minus 1x. Then what shall it become? Let's see. So this is x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 6. What can be taken common?
X.
X.
Now what can be taken common here?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
अब देखो, when you are taking minus common, minus plus makes it what?
Minus.
minus,
Minus. Are you writing two brackets same here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
6. And what is this?
Minus.
X minus 1.
X minus 1.
So is this factorization correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is a rule by looking at which you will get to know whether your answer is correct or wrong. And the rule is after middle term split, the 3 terms becomes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If all the 4 terms are positive, it's correct. If 2 positive, 2 negative, it's correct. But if you have 3 positive, 1 negative, or 1 positive, 3 negative, it will not work. Can you see? 3 positive, 1 negative. This will not work. This is wrong. But 2 positive and 2 negative, this is giving you correct answer. So this is correct. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.